Introducing SolidEDGE, the first serverless cloud-managed surveillance solution with a built-in rugged SSD drive. SolidEDGE records footage in camera on its solid-state drive. It comes with a Wave VMS license and can integrate with up to 5 additional cameras for true video recording and monitoring on the edge. SolidEDGE helps business owners avoid expensive servers that require rack space, complicated setup and maintenance, and hidden security risks. SolidEDGE cameras come with embedded TPM 2.0 for added security. Businesses with multiple properties can easily link additional SolidEDGE systems through WaveSync, allowing the monitoring of multiple sites from anywhere. SolidEDGE will work wherever you do business, with a wide variety of available mounting hardware. Built to stand up to the elements indoors and out, SolidEDGE cameras are scratch-resistant, vent away condensation, and are protected from voltage surges. SolidEDGE, the cost-effective on-premise security solution for small business. Only from Hanwha Vision.